My name is Faisal Naeem Khan. I am Director Education for Hashoo School of Hospitality Management. A very good morning to all of you. I have traveled from Islamabad to Iqra University's campus here in Karachi. And it's a beautiful campus. I see a lot of changes being done, and it's a proud moment that I'm sitting here. I just had a session with our students in Iqra University. It was brilliant. The energy was thriving. They were vibrant. Today in the evening, as I walked into the lobby of Pearl Continental Karachi, I came across a student who is a graduate of Hashoo School of Hospitality Iqra campus, who is now working as a supervisor in food and beverage department, who was there and looking after all the operations of Pearl Continental Karachi. It was a very delightful sight to see one of our students of the same campus now working in Pearl Continental Karachi and moving on with his career. Hashoo School of Hospitality has collaborated with Iqra University since September 2023. The journey started with us signing up with Iqra University in 2023, and since then we have not looked back. The students are pouring in. We are giving them high level of academics, which is based out of our partners in UK, Confederation of Tourism and Hospitality. We have converted this into an associate degree for the ease of our students. So one of the major USPs that Hashoo School of Hospitality is complying with the support of our partner universities like Iqra University is that there are a large number of hotels owned and operated by Hashoo Group are standing behind this particular associate degree program offered by Iqra University. And this particular USP works both ways when it comes to academics here in the university, which are delivered by our seasoned faculty members, the seasoned faculty that we have who are actually bringing their industry knowledge to our students in the hospitality and tourism program. This also provides a pathway to our students to 8 different countries and 43 different universities of the world, where after completion of their CTH level 4 and 5 diplomas, along with an associate degree in hospitality and tourism, they can go abroad and do their top-up. During their journey with us in Hashoo School of Hospitality Management, Iqra University campus, we are offering them internships in hotels owned and operated by Hashoo Group. We are even at the end of their graduation giving them a program which is a paid internship program, and we call it Leadership Exploration and Development Program. And yes, I did come across one of our students undergoing the lead program in the morning, as I just mentioned. This is a very potent program, which is a skill-based degree, which gets you hired in the entire world, which offers you an international diploma, which is offering you internship opportunities, which is even getting jobs for the bright and the shining stars of our classes in our hotels all around the world. I would also like to highlight a very potent USP of our program is offering of scholarship for need and talent-based students. Our partners, Pakistan Education Endowment Fund, which is part of Ministry of Education, Government of Pakistan, they are extending their hand of help to talented and need-based students. We have also given in the past scholarships to our students HM Iqra University campus, and then we look forward to do the same for the cohort which is coming in fall 2026. It is very important to understand the students who learn the academics, the theory here in the classroom. This is replicated in true essence of practicals that they carry out on all the hotels owned and operated by Hashoo Group. So a particular student who's learning the academics and the theory are taken to the hotels and then shown the live environments where they are part of the practical which happen in day-to-day operations of a particular hotel. Admissions in Hashoo School of Hospitality, Iqra University are now open, and all students are invited to come and join us on an open house, which is also scheduled shortly, and we'll keep having the series of open houses, podcasts and ongoing marketing where you can find a link to apply online and then come be the part of the journey with Hashoo School of Hospitality, Iqra University, Karachi campus. Thank you.